Hi guys, I'm Sheldon Pinto from Stuff India, and it's our duty to keep you informed about all the latest happenings from the world of tech and gadgets. So let's just go ahead. First on our list is OnePlus, and they launched a slew of new gadgets in the past week. But this list is not just limited to smartphones. Seems like OnePlus literally did not leave anything to the imagination, given the number of leaks and official teasers that have shown up on the web well ahead of the launch. OnePlus has announced not 2 but 3 handsets this year. We have the usual serving of the OnePlus 9 Pro and the standard OnePlus 9 model to fill up the premium segment. But there is also a new entrant with the new OnePlus 9R that should fill up that gaping hole in the hearts of OnePlus fans. While the 9 Pro and the 9 carry on the legacy of the brand with top-notch hardware, the 9R is the most affordable of the three, comes with slightly watered-down specifications, a focus on gaming, and will be priced from Rs 39,999. Also announced at the launch event was the all-new OnePlus Watch. It's got all the bells and whistles of a regular smartwatch, along with some nifty fitness tracking features, but skips on Android Wear and goes with a custom operating system. And that obviously means no apps. It's slim, it's light, and is made of carbon fiber. No, I'm not talking about an F1 car, but Lenovo's all-new Yoga Slim 7i Carbon Ultrabook. Lenovo's new Yoga Slim 7i Carbon adds to this short list of premium smartphones and laptops that makes use of carbon fiber to keep things feather light and rigid. At just 996 grams, this is one light laptop. And no, it does not have the raw carbon fiber weave, but a proprietary second generation WebCore 2.0 carbon fiber that Lenovo claims reduces material weight by up to 40% while increasing durability. It may look delicate in that special white finish, but it's tough as nails with the military standard 810G durability rating. On the inside, you get a choice of 11th Gen Intel Core i7 or Core i5 Silicon paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. There's a 16:10 ratio Quad HD display that supports Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos certified speakers to keep those tunes going after the work hours end. Number 3 on our list is Vivo, that launched a successor to its gimbal-happy X50 series, known as the X60 series. Once you are done drooling at the gorgeous shimmer blue finish, you will realize that the X60 and the X60 Pro feature similar specifications. This would include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, and a 32MP selfie camera. The Pro stands out with its curved display, double-digit RAM, and gimbal stabilization for the primary lens. This time, Vivo has added some extra oomph to its video stabilization, combining EIS with 4-axis stabilization to get almost action camera-like smoothness. The Vivo X60 Pro Plus is the better, bolder, and frankly the most expensive smartphone of the lot. The Snapdragon 888 is at the heart of it, along with a 50MP main camera, a 48MP gimbal ultra-wide angle, 32MP portrait, and an 8MP 5x periscope. As if 12GB of RAM wasn't enough on the Pro and the Pro Plus, all three models also come with virtual RAM, which adds 3GB of extra RAM from the internal storage. Well, that's it for us from News and Stuff this week. Don't forget to tune into our weekly show to get into the know of all the happening news from the world of tech. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.